Hello everyone, good night. Welcome to my video presentation. My name is Axel Purnama and I am student in the Information System Study Program. Today I'm very excited to share my project about computer and hardware. In this video, we will explore how a computer functions from data input to data processing, and we will also look closely at essential hardware components like the CPU, motherboards, and storage device. Computer. In general, a computer is a set of electronic devices used to process data according to predefined procedures in order to provide highly beneficial information for each user. Computer function. Data input. The computer is capable of receiving information or data from external sources. This data is easily received to various activities using the keyboard, mouse, other computer, or additional peripheral device. Number 2, data processing. The primary function of a computer is to process data, which ultimately generates output in the form of information. Number 3, data output. The next function of the computer is to provide output after going through various data processing tasks. This information can then be presented using a monitor, printer, or speaker. Number 4, data storage. Computer also serve as a place to store data, making it easy for user to locate and browse. This data can be saved either in the computer internal memory or external storage device. Number 5, data movement. Another function of the computer is to transfer data from one computer to another or to various other output device. Computer component. The components found in a computer are divided into 3 categories: input, process, and output. Here is the explanation for each. Number 1, input component. Input components are hardware pieces responsible for providing command or instruction that will be processed by the computer. Some example or input components are the keyboard, mouse, trackpad, stylus pen, scanner, and microphone. Number 2, processing component. Processing components are responsible for managing or processing command given by the user so that they can later be displayed through the output component. Some example of processing component including the processor, CPU, motherboard, hard drive, and RAM. Number 3, output component. Output components are responsible for displaying information or result for the command that have been processed by the computer. Some example of output components include the monitor, speaker, and printer. The type of computer. Number 1, portable computer. Portable computer is a computer designed to be easily carried anywhere, making easily useful for purposes and on the need. This type of computer is less popular today because it is heavier and bulkier than modern laptop. Number 2, desktop computer. A desktop computer is a computer that is designed to be placed on top a desk. This type of computer features a CPU that is separate from the keyboard and monitor. Number 3, laptop computer. A laptop computer is a small handheld computer. This type of computer has become very since the rise of smartphone. Number 4, a tower computer. A tower computer is a computer with a large cache size than a standard desktop computer. Generally, this computer is placed on top of or beside a desk. This type of computer offers gradable because it comes with modified expansion slot for additional hardware. Number 5. Notebook computer. A notebook computer is a computer that features and thinner and sleeker design. Typically, this type of computer is used by students, teachers, and researchers who work alike in a compact device. Number 6. Handbook. Subnote, a handbook is a variant of the notebook, but it comes in a very smaller form factor. Number 7. Laptop computer. A laptop computer is a portable computer designed to be used on the user lap. Number 8. Table PC. A portable touchscreen computer without a physical keyboard, which can be operated using a stylus. It is highly popular for like test, reading, or presentation. Number 9. All-in-one computer. A modern desktop computer that integrates the GPU direct into the monitor housing. It is more space-saving and feature and minimalist design. Number 10. Hybrid, a one-in-one computer. A combination of a laptop and tablet. The screen can either be detached or flipped around, offering high flexibility for working or studying. Next, wearable computer. A computer in the form of a device that can be worn, such as watch and or smart glasses. These are really used headless sport and are VR fields. Next, server computer, a specialized high-performance computer designed to handle data requests from multiple users simultaneously. It is commonly used in companies, cloud computing, or data centers. As quantum computer experimental, an advanced computer that utilizes quantum physics, bit less instead of binary bits. While still in development, it promises a massive leap in processing power. Hardware is the physical component of a computer system that can be touched and felt. Hardware includes all things device that support the operation of a computer system. Hardware function. The function of hardware in a computer system is extensive and complex. Each type of hardware plays a specific role in carrying out its tasks. Here are the primary functions of hardware. 1. Data processing. Hardware, such as the CPU, play a central role in processing data. The CPU is responsible for converting raw data provided by the user into meaningful and useful information. Number 2. Data storage. Hardware such as hard drives and solid-state drives are used to store data in various forms. This data can include documents, application, and multimedia files. Storage devices are also divided into two main categories: temporary storage, storage and RAM, which is used to hold data while the system is actively running. Permanent storage, such as hard drive, which retain data even when the computer is turned off. Number 3. User system interaction. Hardware devices like the keyboard, mouse, and touchscreen facilitate interaction between the user and the computer system. This function allows user to input instruction and revise response from the computer. Number 4. Providing output. Hardware such as monitor and printer enable digiting data to be converted into human readable information. whether in the form of visual, hard cables, or sound. Example of hardware and their function. There are various types of hardware, each serving a specific function. Here are some examples. Hard drive. A hard drive is the primary storage device in computer. Its function is to store data permanently. HDD or hard disk drive use many gig rather store data at over large capacity but has slower read and write speeds compared to an SSD. SSD use flash memory technology, making it faster, more durable, and more energy efficient than a HDD. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device used to enter data and command. Mechanical keyboard. Now, for its high durability and distally typing comfort, membrane keyboard, more affordable, featuring a thin and lightweight design. Economy keyboard, especially the SIG need to reduce strain during long private of use. Camera, a computer camera, such as a webcam, is used to capture image or video. A microphone is an input device that converts sound into digital signal. A core hardware component. Switchboard, motherboard. The mother is the main circuit board that connect all the hardware components inside the computer. It ensures that various components and communicate with one another. Key features of a mother include slot for the CPU, RAM, graphic card, and storage device. CPU. The CPU is often referred to as the brain of the computer. Its functions include executing instructions, managing multitasking process, and processing data. Other device additional components such as the GPU for graphic processing and the VCO provide electronical form are also essential of the computer hardware. Okay everyone, and thanks very much.